Hey guys, my name is Shannon Keel. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to show you how to use the products that I have loved for my hair for 2 years. They're different and amazing. So hang on just a second and I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, so first off, it doesn't matter if you have oily hair or dry hair, you need to balance your scalp. So one of the things that I highly recommend is our Rejuveniqe oil. So the Rejuveniqe oil it's a little bottle, but it goes a long way, I'm just saying. So what you're gonna do, push this little tab in like this, and you're going to get a little bit of oil. And if you had gotten a sample, then poke a little hole in the top of that sample and just pour some in your fingertips. What I'm gonna do, I like to do this the night before. I'm gonna massage this into my scalp. And I know if you're oily scalp, oily hair, it's strange, I know, but listen, what happens is I'm gonna do the same amount more. There we go. A little, like I said, a little goes a long way. What happens is this has tons of great nutrients for your scalp to help it to heal and to be healthier. It helps feed your follicles where the hair is growing. And then I'm going to run some through my ends. I love doing this before I go to bed at night, and I shampoo in the morning. And if you have finer, thinner hair, then you might feel a little bit greasy, but a lot of times it soaks right in. So this is what I do, and if you don't have time to sleep in it, what you can do is just put it on, I would say a good 15-30 minutes, an hour before you're going to shampoo. If you can, that would be great. I've done it and gotten in the shower pretty quick. So this will be a great treatment for your scalp and your hair, to just help it to balance, help it to produce better hair, help your hair to feel amazing. And I can put in a link to kind of give you the details of what's in this little thing. We call it liquid gold, and there's a reason. So it's awesome stuff. So anyway, so next I'm going to show you how to shampoo your hair. Yes, it's different. Okay, so now that I've gotten in and out of the shower with very wet hair, I love starting my first shampoo with our black shampoo. Oh my gosh, and it says 2-in-1, but this is great for men, but also great for women, especially blondes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it's got a little cap that you just turn. I'm only using about that much, okay? Be sure to close your cap. So now I'm going to, this helps really deep clean your hair. It also helps aid in growth. So if you need a little more thickness, but if you don't need thickness, listen, this is still a great product for you. So I'm rubbing this in my hands. I did put a little water on it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on my scalp. Now listen up, listen up, I don't know why I said that. Anyway, when you're shampooing your hair, your scalp is super important. So you got to remember to use your fingertips on your scalp, because there's a lot of buildup and a lot of stuff that is caking onto your scalp and into your follicles. And this is what our shampoo does that's different. It helps to remove that. Now always remember, with your first shampoo, whether it's the black or any other of our shampoos, you are not going to get a lot of suds. You may get none, you might get some, just depends. It's okay. You're going to leave this on for 2 minutes and see how there's no suds, but listen, it's still working. So now is when I'm in the shower, I'll be sure, like that's when I'm gonna bathe myself and all that. You're gonna leave this on for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna get in there and rinse it, and then I'll come back and do my second shampoo and show you how that works. Okay, I'm back, and yes, I have a towel on the floor so I don't drip everywhere. So if it's been a little while since you've shampooed your hair, you know, maybe do this twice. But this is when I come in. My second shampoo is when I come in with the shampoo that works best for my hair, which is the Renew shampoo. It's very moisturizing. We've got a few different shampoos that you can choose from. Maybe you need volume, that would be Revive. We got hydration, we got all kinds. So anyway, okay, so that's actually probably more than I need. Rub this together. Again, I'm gonna add a little water. So you can see how when you emulsify your hands together, or emulsify it in your hands, it starts to get a little sudsy. And just start working it in. And the same thing, work with your hands. Now listen, if you feel like you need more shampoo, a lot of times you just need more water. And this is why our shampoos last so long. I think my husband and I marked how long he and I used a bottle of the black, and it was 4.5 months. And we shampoo probably every 3 to 4 days. Now my hair is a little bit dirty, so this is the second wash. I might do a third. I will do a third. Sometimes I'll wash twice with that black shampoo. Like if it's been a few days, I'll wash twice, and then I come in with my Renew. Again, leave it on for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna go rinse, and I'll be back. Okay guys, one of my favorite things is our Replenish mask. This has got a lot of protein in it. It helps make your hair shiny and silky. It just is amazing. You do not need to use this any more than maybe, I don't know, say once every 2 weeks. Some people can use it once a week. I use it just every now and then, and we've got several masks that are amazing. Typically I would use this before I do my last conditioner. And you need conditioner after this. This is not a conditioner. So how much am I gonna use for my hair? That much. If you have longer, thicker hair, then of course you can use more. Rub it into your hands. And it smells amazing, feels amazing. And I like to leave this in my hair a good 15 minutes if I can. There's times that I've been in the shower where I just don't have that time. I'll leave it in a little less, but my preference is about 15 minutes. And like I said, you're going to use your conditioner, whatever is best for your hair type, after you rinse this. I always like also to towel dry my hair or squeeze out a lot of the water. I didn't do that just now, but you get the gist. All right. Okay, so now the conditioner part is always my favorite. I don't know, all of it's my favorite. So mine is very used, but my favorite for my hair is the Intense Repair Treatment Conditioner. It's very moisturizing. I also love the Advanced Hydration. But again, use the one that's best for your hair type. So I'm gonna pop the top, and I'm going to put a pea size. There's a little bit come out of the cap. All right, so I'm gonna start running this through my hair. It's kind of got a minty smell, as well as that black shampoo that I use. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so one of the cool things that I've discovered watching YouTube is this cool little device. You put a battery in it. Turn it on, and you can massage your scalp. It's great for growth. It invigorates your skin. I love this little thing. I don't use it every single time, but I use it quite a bit. And you don't have to leave the conditioner in your hair long, but I definitely, I'll leave it in longer when I use this. Alright, so, oh, that's high. It's a cool little thing. You can get them in different colors. So really, that is it. I'm gonna rinse this out, and then I'll make a separate video for some of the styling products that I like to use. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all having a great day. Bye.